Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to open your hood on your Honda Civic. First thing you want to do is come around to the driver's side of your car, and we're going to reach around the bottom of the kick panel here, and we are going to pop the hood open by pulling this lever. So now the hood is popped loose, but we still have to release it using the lever here in the middle. So above the H emblem here, in between the hood and the bumper, you need to take your hand and slide it until you feel a lever, and you're going to take that lever and you're going to slide it all the way as far towards the driver's side as you can go, and it'll stop, and then you want to pick up on the hood. And this is what the lever looks like with the hood open. So what we're doing is we're reaching in between the hood and the bumper here, and we're just taking this lever and we're just sliding it all the way towards the driver's side of the car, and that releases the hood by moving the mechanism over towards the driver's side. So just pick up on the hood and then grab the hood prop and bring it up to this hole on the hood and place it in there. And now the hood is secure and you're all done. That's how you open your hood. Thanks for watching, guys.